Imagine a world where robots perform surgery with unparalleled precision, deliver packages with zero human intervention, and even compose symphonies that move us to tears. Is this science fiction, or the near future? What if I told you that robots are no longer confined to factory floors? They are learning, evolving, and poised to revolutionize every aspect of our lives. Are we ready? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of robotics and exploring how these incredible machines are poised to reshape our world. The rise of artificial intelligence is fueling a true robot revolution. We're not just talking about clunky metal machines anymore. Advancements in robotics technology, combined with sophisticated AI algorithms, are leading to the development of incredibly versatile and capable robots. We'll discuss how these advancements in robotics technology are impacting industries from healthcare to manufacturing, and we'll explore the potential benefits and challenges of a world increasingly reliant on autonomous systems. From self-driving cars to AI-powered assistants, the future of robotics is unfolding before our very eyes. One of the most significant impacts of robots will be on the job market. Automation is already transforming industries, with robots taking over repetitive and physically demanding tasks. While this raises concerns about job displacement, it also presents opportunities for new roles in areas like robot maintenance, programming, and AI development. The key will be adaptation and a focus on reskilling and upskilling the workforce to meet the demands of this changing landscape. In healthcare, robots are poised to revolutionize patient care. Imagine a surgeon performing a delicate brain operation with robotic precision, minimizing invasiveness, risk, and maximizing patient outcomes. AI-powered diagnostics can analyze medical images with incredible accuracy, leading to earlier and more effective treatments. Robots are also being developed to assist with elder care, providing companionship and support to an aging population. In manufacturing and logistics, robots are increasing efficiency, reducing costs, and improving safety. Automated warehouses, robotic assembly lines, and delivery drones are becoming increasingly common. But the impact of robotics extends far beyond Earth. Robots are crucial for space exploration, allowing us to explore distant planets and gather invaluable scientific data in environments too hazardous for humans. Of course, the rise of robots also raises important ethical considerations. We need to address concerns about AI bias, ensuring that these systems are fair and unbiased. Safety is paramount, and we must develop robust safety protocols to prevent accidents. And we need to consider the potential for misuse of this powerful technology. The future of robotics is full of both incredible potential and significant challenges. It's a future we're creating right now. What are your thoughts on how robots will change the world? Share your opinions in the comments below. Stay tuned for more videos on the latest advancements in AI and technology. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content on robots, AI, and the future of technology.